Hello people, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to be restoring this rusty old spiral jack. Welcome back people. Today we're going to try and restore this rusty old spiral jack. Now, it's seized and it won't spin, but I'm hoping the electrolysis will free it up. So first we're going to take it all apart. Now this plate is only pressed on, so I'm just going to force it off with a hammer. And hopefully this gear should just spin off. With the gear off, the screw should just fall out the bottom. Next, I'm cutting a length of wire to wrap around all the different parts. Now this electrolysis bath is getting fairly old and fairly manky, so it's the last time we'll use it. So we'll add our sacrificial piece of metal and our components to the water. The positive terminal goes on the sacrificial piece of metal and the negative terminal goes on the components. So let's plug it in and give it an hour. So it's been an hour and I think that's long enough, so we'll take it all out. So now I'm going to untie everything and give it all a quick dry. Now for some reason, there's mud caked into the inside of the gears and all around the teeth, so we're going to have to remove that. Now I'm going to clean it up a small bit more using a wire brush. Now the other side. Now, that's looking good, but there's still quite a bit of mud caked to the inside of the teeth, and I'm not happy with that. So I'm going to try and remove that using the wire brush attachment of the drill. Now I'm doing the same with all the other different components. Decided to give this thing a quick dry, so I'm using a rag and the metal bar from earlier, and I'm just going to push the metal bar down to scrub the inside. Now unfortunately I didn't realise, but my camera dropped a small bit, so the next part is out of frame. Same thing though, wire brushing first and then using the wire brush attachment to give it a quick finish. Now I'm using a damp cloth just to get the last of the dust off of it. Now with all the mud and the rust gone, I'm going to put it all back together and give it a quick test. And that's working perfect now, really smooth. So let's take it apart again and prime it. So now that the primer's dry, I'm going to paint it, and I think green would be nice. So I left it dry overnight, and now I'm going to put it all back together. And that's spinning really nice. Now I'm going to put the top plate on the same way I took it off. Perfect. Now let's test it. It might not be the fastest thing in the world, but it's really easy. As you can see, it lifts up this heavy workbench with no effort. So this is the finished product, and I have to say, it does look really good. Looking at it before, I mean, I'm just really happy with it overall. So thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.